Welcome to Dubai, a city where futuristic skyscrapers meet traditional souks and the desert embraces the sea. Today we're diving into the magic of Dubai. Whether you're planning your first visit or your 10th, this city never ceases to amaze. Let's explore. Our journey starts in the heart of Dubai at the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Standing at 828 meters, this architectural marvel is a must-see. The best way to experience it? Head to the At the Top observation deck on the 148th floor for stunning panoramic views of the city. Right next door is the mesmerizing Dubai Fountain, where water, light, and music create a magical display every evening. It's a show you don't want to miss. Next, let's take a stroll through the Dubai Mall. Not just a shopping center, but a world of its own. With over 1,200 shops, it's a paradise for shoppers. But there's more. Visit the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, where you can walk through a 48-meter tunnel surrounded by marine life. For some fun, check out the VR park for an adrenaline-pumping virtual reality experience, or glide across the Dubai ice rink for some cool indoor fun. From the ultra-modern, we move to Old Dubai, where you can step back in time. Explore the Al Fahidi Historical District, with its charming wind tower architecture, and visit the Dubai Museum to learn about the city's transformation from a fishing village to a global metropolis. Then, take an Abra ride across Dubai Creek for just 1 dirham and soak in the bustling atmosphere of the gold and spice souks on the other side. Bargain hunters, this is your haven. Now, let's relax by the beach. Jumeirah Beach is a pristine stretch of white sand, perfect for sunbathing and swimming. And while you're here, catch a glimpse of the Burj Al Arab, often dubbed the world's most luxurious hotel. From Jumeirah, head to Palm Jumeirah, an artificial archipelago shaped like a palm tree. Here, you'll find luxury resorts like Atlantis the Palm, with its Aquaventure water park and Lost Chambers aquarium. Perfect family destination. Your Dubai adventure isn't complete without a desert safari. Just a short drive from the city, you'll find yourself in the vast Arabian Desert. Experience the thrill of dune bashing in a 4x4, ride a camel, and end your evening with a traditional Bedouin-style dinner under the stars, complete with belly dancing and henna paint. As the sun sets, Dubai comes alive in a whole new way. Dubai Marina, with its stunning skyline and vibrant nightlife, the place to be. Take a leisurely stroll along the Marina Walk, or hop on a traditional dhow cruise for dinner as you sail through the illuminated cityscape. If you're in the mood to party, Dubai has no shortage of rooftop bars and nightclubs, where the views are as impressive as the cocktails. Dubai's nightlife is as diverse as its visitors, offering something for everyone. From towering skyscrapers to serene deserts, Dubai is a city of contrasts and endless possibilities. Whether you're here for adventure, luxury, or culture, Dubai will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Subscribe for more travel adventures with Walk the World. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Dubai. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Walk the World for more travel adventures. See you at the next destination.